Hi all, welcome back to the second lecture of Theory of Plates and Shell. Today I am going to explain plates and its related terminologies. First of all, what is plate? As we already studied in the previous lecture, plate is a thin structural element whose thickness is very small compared to other dimensions, and they resist the load mainly by bending. As you can see from figure, it is bounded by two flat surfaces and the distance between the two flat surfaces is its thickness, and it is denoted by small letter h. Plates are found in different shapes: rectangular, circular, elliptical, triangular, and so many other shapes. Mainly, plates are classified into three types based on their A by H ratio, that is, the area to thickness ratio. The first one is very thin plate, the second one is moderately thick plate, and finally very thick plate. Then coming to very thin plate, here the area to thickness ratio lies between 20 and 100. In the case of moderately thick plate, the A by H ratio lies between 5 and 20. And finally, in the case of very thick plate, the A by H ratio is less than 5. These are the main classification of plates. Then coming to the classification of plate theories, there are mainly three plate theories. First one is thin plate with a small deflection, then thin plate with large deflection, and thick plate theory. Then coming to thin plate with small deflection theory, here the deflection of the plate is small compared to its thickness, and the bending moment and twisting moments are produced to resist the external load. The second one is thin plate with large deflection theory. Here the deflections are not small as compared to the plate thickness. As a result of large deflection, the geometric nonlinearity will produce it, and also in-plane stresses are also produced. Then third theory is thick plate theory. The thickness of the plate is larger, and it is assumed that it's greater than 1/10 of its larger dimension, and therefore shear deformation contributes to the deflection. So these are the main classification of plate theories. And here the first one is thin plate with small deflection, and the shear deformation is neglected in this case. And in thick plate theory, the shear deformation contribute to the deflection. That's all today's section. So if you have any doubt, please comment below. Hope you are understood what is plate, what are the classification of plates, and what are the classification of plate theories. So if you have any doubt, please comment below. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you all.